Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the video of hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and categories and facilities also.
First, location.
And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find tons of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.2, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and energies, etc.
Category 2. Category 3. Category 4.
Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen.
Obviously, we require to present photo ID at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
For booking or more details, go to link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.